Hi there, students. Ditto. Okay, this can be a noun or very commonly an adjective. I think we use this most commonly in informal speaking to say that the same, in the same way, likewise. So John says, I don't like hot food. And I could say ditto. I don't like hot food. Not true, but still. Okay, ditto. Just to avoid repeating what you've said. It's raining in Scotland and in London, ditto. Okay, ditto is saying it's also raining in London. The house next door was occupied by squatters, and the house next to that, ditto, was occupied by squatters as well. Okay, so ditto. It's to indicate the same the thing that you already said is applicable a second time. Yeah, if one of them sits down, the other ditto. So maybe they're identical twins. If one crosses his arms, then the other crosses his arms. The other ditto, likewise. You can also use ditto in a list. Yeah, a ditto mark, a ditto. Yeah, these are just two little lines to say the same again, particularly in a list. So A, to be arranged, B, and then two little marks, C, two little marks, D, already done. Okay, so the same as the thing above, two little ditto marks. It's just like two apostrophes or two inverted commas. Yeah, it's just a way to make your life easier, or to make it shorter. Okay, so ditto, but most commonly the same which I said before. The aforesaid applies, the same, likewise. He's really happy with his new electric car, and my other friend, ditto, is very happy with his electric car. So this word ditto, it's an easy way to say the same applies. Very often one person says something, the other says ditto. Yeah, so do I. The same is true for me. Ditto. To repeat it. Okay, so for example, yes, the accounts for this company are finished, and ditto for the ones that you gave me yesterday. Notice you can also use a duplicate, yeah, a ditto. Could you give me a ditto of that document? You could use it like that. I think maybe using a ditto machine. Okay, so ditto, the same again. Okay, this applies to me, and to you, ditto. Yeah, I have a horrible boss, and I think you ditto. Okay, the same thing applies. So, formality. Well, I think if you're using it to say the same applies to me, or ditto someone else, this is probably 4.5 in formality. I would use it in an informal conversation. I don't think I would use it semi-formally. And then as a ditto mark, well, that's 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. Yeah, the printer uses dittos to save ink. Yeah, but that's neutral formality. It's talking about the specific ditto mark. So yes, Simon enjoyed my video, and I hope ditto for you as well. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and there will be many other videos that are the same. Yeah, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ditto.